Welcome back! Today I'm here to show you 3 ways to activate a card in the BusyKid app. The first way you can activate a card is to tap the child profile picture for the card you want to activate. The selected child's dashboard information displays. Tap the card image, which shows locked. The app asks you to input the last 4 digits of the card number. A card unlocked message displays. Tap OK, and the screen returns to the dashboard. The second method for activating a card can be done from the settings. From the parent dashboard, tap Settings. Tap Spend Cards, and a list of your spend cards displays. Locate the card you want to activate and tap the card image to unlock it. The app asks you to input the last 4 digits of the card number. A card unlock message displays. Tap OK, and the screen returns to the dashboard. The third way to activate a card is to call the number indicated on the card activation sticker. This option takes a little more time than activating in the BusyKid app, which is faster. However, calling the activation number is still effective. Make sure that you have loaded funds to the card before you try to use it to spend. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you'll subscribe to Simple Success, where we help you raise financially competent kids.